Alright, so for this demo video, we're going to show how ChitChatChimp can be used to create and train sales assistant bots. Sales assistant bots are a great way to answer pre-sales questions, explain sales policies, offer additional or customer-specific information, give out coupons to encourage multiple purchases or increase conversions, build authority, and improve brand image for your business. So let's go ahead and click on the New Bot button at the top here. This will bring us back to the bot creation page. We're going to name this bot SalesBot Beth. Bot reference is just for internal use, so we'll call it Sales1. The tagline is just a short sentence or phrase that'll appear under her name. We'll make ours Ask Me Anything. We'll leave the position set to right and answer delay set to 2 seconds to give it a more human feel. Let's do red for our bot's color. We'll leave the text set to white, and now it's time to set up our avatar. You can completely customize your avatar, but we're going to use one of the awesome built-in avatars, and we'll have our avatar display in a circle. So we're going to click on Choose, and we'll go with this young lady right here. Auto Appear and Exit Intent are both Pro Pack upgrade features that you'll definitely want to use to get even more cool functionality from your bots. We want to ensure potential buyers know our bot is available, so we'll have her auto appear, but we don't want to distract them from the sales page right away, so we'll set her on a 3-second timer, and I'm only making it that short for the sake of this demo. I'm going to leave Exit Intent set to No, and I'll do the same for Dim and Hide. For her initial greeting, let's have her say, "Hey, how can I help today?" We set Exit Intent to No, so we can skip that greeting. Email Acknowledge field is just what your bot will say after a person enters their email, and of course you'll want to stick your own email address in here, or leave it blank if you don't want notifications. We'll set Notify to Yes, and you also have the option here to integrate with your autoresponder, which is another awesome Pro Pack upgrade feature you'll definitely want to leverage. But for our purposes, we're going to leave that set to No. ChatJack is a really cool cutting-edge feature on the unlimited plan. We're going to skip it this time, but I encourage you to learn more about that up here in the help section later. Now, your fallback reply is basically what your bot will say in the unlikely event she can't figure out what your visitor means. I say unlikely because ChitChatChimp is pretty intelligent and is usually able to figure things out, but just in case, you do need a fallback line, and it's a good idea to stick a few variations for her to cycle through so it seems more natural and human. Finally, I'm going to leave these options switched on. This means that rather than restricting SalesBot Beth to questions created just for her, she'll be able to tap into libraries of shared and generic questions and answers available to all bots in the event she needs to. And I'll leave the Powered By branding set to CCC because I want my visitors to see we use ChitChatChimp, but you could set this to your own link and branding if you like via the paid add-on option inside your account. So I'll go ahead and click Save and Exit. Now clicking Save will bring us to the relevant codes for installing your chatbot. You can use these codes on any site, whether you're using a chat box or an inline bot, or if you have the unlimited plan, you can also take advantage of the ChatJacker feature link here. We're just going to grab this chat box code here, but I encourage you to learn more about these other options in the help section because they're pretty powerful. We'll just click copy here and close this out, and I'm going to head over to my website here. I'm going to go into HTML and check out how easy this is. Right click and paste. No coding skills necessary. I'm going to go ahead and publish these changes. Let's come over to the live page and hit refresh. And as you can see, there's our friend SalesBot Beth waiting for us right there in the bottom right corner with the greeting we told her to use. Now there's one more step here, and that is to stick in some anticipated or frequently asked questions for this bot to answer. We're going to click on Questions, Add New Question, and for this example, let's try, Do you offer a guarantee? I've got a little prepared response I'll just paste in here. Now you can add more possible variations of the question and the answer in these boxes by hitting Enter or Return. But although more variations are definitely better, don't be too worried about getting every single possible variation because ChitChatChimp is a pretty smart app and it's actually intelligently analyzing the words and the questions that your visitor submits within fractions of a second and determining what's being asked. Now we are going to take this demo a step further though to see if the software is really all it's cracked up to be. So let's say that in any instance where the customer replies thanks, we want to capitalize on that by having SalesBot Beth not only say you're welcome, but give the customer just one last nudge towards the order page. So we'll set her reply in this case to no problem, click this link to add the plugin to your cart. We're going to hit save and head back over to our website and try asking her a question. Now to test how intelligent SalesBot Beth is, I'm not going to use the exact words of our question. Instead I'll change it a bit and say, do you guys offer any guarantee? I'll click send and within a split second, SalesBot Beth has analyzed that sentence and given the appropriate answer. And of course, if we follow that up with a thanks, she'll reply with that add to cart link. So there you have it, an intelligent sales bot that'll help you answer pre-sales questions, explain sales policies, offer additional or customer-specific information, give out coupons to encourage multiple purchases or increase conversions, build authority, and improve brand image for your business. And you created, trained, and installed her all in just a few minutes right here with ChitChatChimp.